Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Welcome to the world of Python programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some programming experience, this tutorial is designed to help you learn Python from the ground up. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language widely used in various domains, including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. Getting started. Basic syntax and data types. Control flow. Functions. Data structures. File handling. Exception handling. Object-oriented programming, OOP. Modules and libraries. Introduction to web development with Flask. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, Python Downloads. For a beginner-friendly development environment, consider using an integrated development environment, IDE, like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm Community Edition. These IDEs provide a user-friendly interface and helpful features for coding in Python. In Python, you can create variables to store data. The following code demonstrates variable creation and basic data types. Python supports various operators for performing operations on variables. Here's a simple example. To take user input and display output, you can use the following. This concludes the first part of our Python tutorial. In the next section, we will cover control flow with conditional statements and loops. Stay tuned for more examples and hands-on exercises. ChatGPT.